Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. I am your Srinivas sir. Today we can discuss another one theorem. It's a simple theorem. So it is quadrilateral having both pairs of opposite sides are equal means it's a parallelogram. Students, we move on to the statement. The theorem statement is quadrilateral with each pair of opposite sides equals means it's a parallelogram. So what it says in a quadrilateral, we know that what is quadrilateral? A polygon with four sides we called as quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral, each pair of opposite sides are equal, then we called as a parallelogram. Let's we move on to the proof part. Suppose this is a parallelogram. Name this A, B, C, D. So what's the given here? We have a quadrilateral A, B, C, D as shown in the figure. It is given that the opposite sides are equal. That means AB is parallel to CD or AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. So what we have to prove? We need to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. We come to the proof part. Before we are going to proof part, we construct a diagonal AC. The diagonal AC. Then this quadrilateral forms two triangles. Two triangles. Let me see these are congruent or not. So we join A and C. This is a construction part. That is, we draw a diagonal AC. In a triangle ACB and triangle ACD, in a triangle ACB and triangle ACD and ACD, we have AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD because these are given. AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD and BC is equal to AD. BC is equal to AD. In these two triangles, AC is common side. AC is common side. Then we say that AC is equal to AC because it's a common side of both triangle ACB and ACD. Then the triangle ACB is congruent to triangle CDA. In last class we discussed that if the given two triangle corresponding angles are equals, then the given two triangles are congruent by angle side angle congruent rule. Is it right? So the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA, then therefore triangle ACB is equal to triangle CAD. These two angles are equal because consider AD and BC are two parallel lines. If you are consider AC is a transversal line, we know that in lines and angles we discussed that the alternate interior angles are same when the two sides are parallel. Two sides are parallel. Then we say that BC is parallel to AD. BC is parallel to AD. Like that, in this case, suppose AB and CD are two sides is parallel to each other. AC is a transversal line. AC is a transversal line. Then this angle and this angle are what we call is alternate interior angle. Both are same. If you are consider any one side, suppose BC is parallel to AD or AB is parallel to CD, What parallelogram statement says? If any one side of opposite sides are equal in a quadrilateral, then we called as a parallelogram. So hence, now we take angle ACB is equal to angle CAD because corresponding angles are equal in two congruent triangle. This angle and this angle, opposite interior angles, are equal. Now we take BC and AD. We see that AC is a transversal. AC is a transversal. Then you can say angle ACB is equal to angle CAD. Angle ACB equal to angle CAD. So BC is parallel to AD. BC is parallel to AD. Why? If transversal intersect a pair of lines such that alternate angles are equal, then the pair of lines are parallel. Next we move on. In a quadrilateral ABC, BC is equal to AD, then BC is parallel to AD. BC is equal to AD, then BC is parallel because the alternate interior angles are same. Then we say that BC is parallel to AD. So if any one side of a angle, any two opposite sides are equals in a quadrilateral, we say that it is a parallelogram. Now here BC is parallel to AD. We prove that BC is parallel to AD. Then a quadrilateral ABCD has pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. Therefore, it's a parallelogram. Students, I hope you can understand this. Hence, we can prove that. So, parallelogram ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇರುವಂತ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ನ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. In this case we prove only BC is parallel to AD. Suppose we also prove that AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. Both are you can find any one opposite sides are equal and parallel, then it's a parallelogram. Students, I hope you can understand this. In next class we can discuss some other theorem. Thank you.